Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that forms the backbone of the insurance industry, training. Insurance training isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about building the knowledge, skills, and confidence that allow professionals to succeed in a field that impacts people's lives every single day. Insurance is complex. It covers everything from underwriting and claims management to compliance and risk assessment. Without proper training, professionals can't deliver the kind of service or expertise that clients and communities rely on. Training programs establish a strong foundation. They cover the basics: policy types, coverage options, risk evaluation, claims processes, and regulatory requirements. With this foundation, professionals can confidently make informed decisions and guide clients through tough situations. Insurance training also goes beyond the basics. Adjusters, agents, underwriters, and risk managers can each take specialized courses. For example, adjusters may focus on investigative techniques, while agents may dive into sales strategies and customer service. This specialization creates trusted advisors who stand out in the field. Regulations in the insurance industry are constantly evolving. Training ensures professionals are up to date with state and federal laws. This is especially important in Texas, where regulations have their own unique requirements. Without this knowledge, professionals risk legal issues that can harm both their careers and their companies. Training isn't just for beginners. Continuous education opens doors to certifications, designations, and leadership opportunities. It keeps professionals competitive, sharp, and ready to seize new roles within the industry. At its core, insurance is about serving people. Trained professionals can assess risk more accurately, recommend the right coverage, and explain policies clearly. This builds stronger client relationships and leads to greater satisfaction, retention, and referrals. In Texas, specialized programs tailor training to the state's unique needs. Professionals learn not only the national standards, but also the specific state regulations, market dynamics, and regional risks. This makes Texas-trained professionals well prepared to serve their communities. Those who invest in proper training position themselves for long-term success. They're more marketable, more trusted by clients, and more likely to advance in their careers. Training isn't just education, it's a career accelerator. When insurance professionals are better trained, the entire industry benefits. Clients receive stronger protection, companies build better reputations, and communities gain stability in times of uncertainty. Training strengthens the whole system. To wrap up, insurance training matters because it builds expertise, ensures compliance, opens career opportunities, and improves client service. In a state like Texas, where the industry is dynamic and diverse, specialized programs provide professionals with exactly what they need to succeed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into building a successful career in the insurance industry.